This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the accessibility menu because Talkback lives there. Press the PS button, open Control Center, then choose the gear icon to go into System Settings. Once in System, navigate to Accessibility. This groups audio, display, and screen reader options so you can find Speech Assist quickly. Make sure you're using the controller mapped to your account because saved settings apply per user. This avoids toggling another profile's accessibility by mistake. Next, in Accessibility, you'll locate the screen reader or similar voice feedback entry. This is where Talkback-like narration is controlled. Once you highlight Screen Reader, press X to open its page, and you'll see a simple on/off toggle plus voice speed and volume. Turn the toggle off to stop narration immediately. If you prefer, adjust speech volume or rate first so you understand changes. Controlling these avoids silent toggles or sudden loud feedback when you re-enable the feature later. Finally, confirm the screen reader toggle reads off and back out of settings, then test menus to ensure speech stopped. If voice feedback still plays, restart the Ps5 to clear any cached accessibility state. If it persists after reboot, check accessibility shortcuts or controller mappings. Some shortcuts re-enable screen reader unintentionally, so disable those or remap them. If none of this works, you can rebuild the database from safe mode as a last resort to repair system index issues that might keep settings stuck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.